Now moving on, Justice Mohammed Garba Umar of the Federal High Court in Abuja has shifted hearing in a 1.2 billion naira civil rights suit instituted by a former presidential candidate, Omoyele Sowore, against the Inspector General of Police (IGP) and the Attorney General of the Federation till March 10. The judge fixed March 10 for hearing of the enforcement of fundamental rights suits as Sowore Egbetokun, Nigeria Police Force, Commissioner of Police in the Federal Capital Territory, and the AGF, who are first to fourth defendants, were absent in court. The absence of all the defendants prompted Justice Umar to adjourn the matter, but with a warning that it would be for definite hearing on the date. The judge ordered that hearing notices must be served on the defendants in order to avoid an excuse for any further adjournment.
Liberty and the right to protest and demand for a change of obnoxious government policies and to demand that the government acts in consonance with the law. Where Nigerians elect to exercise that right of protests or the right to demand for accountability in governance, the police, the DSS, and other security agencies has no power to clamp down on such legitimate protests, to arrest persons who take part in such protests, and to charge them to court in the first place. Where this has been done, such an action is a violation and a direct assault on the Constitution. That was what was done to our friends who took part in the Free Nnamdi Kanu protest. And it was on that basis that we filed the suit to remedy the rights of Nigerians who took part in that protest. Arresting Nigerians for taking part in protest is unlawful. And having failed to justify the arrest in the first place, the court has now been called upon to look into that particular issue and to remedy the wrong that has been done to our comrades who were unlawfully and unjustly arrested.
In the suit, Sowore claimed his arrest and detention over a peaceful protest constituted a breach of his right to freedom of movement and dignity of human person. He also claims that his arraignment on October 24, 2025 was illegal, unlawful, and unconstitutional.